So, good morning, everyone. Welcome to the taste test. It's been a few days since we had a taste test at least, so let's go for another one. So, as you can see, we have our little lovely border here with our turkey, and everything's flashing, and that's wonderful, and, it's pretty, and it's annoying as all heck. So, let's just get rid of that. So, anyway, today we're going to do another Syntrax product. This is a Syntrax Apple. Mixed up here, you can see it's very appley green. I just mixed this up in the blender, so I'm going to give it a little stir because it's been just sort of sitting here for a couple of seconds. And they do sort of tend to separate a little bit. All protein drinks do. Well, interesting. It's certainly apple. I have figured out that with a lot of the Syntrax products, or at least a lot of the protein products, because they're protein, when you put them in a blender, you really got to blend them just a couple of pulses kind of thing, and then get done with it because they will foam, and you get just a ton of foam. It's like that foam that you see at the beach sometimes coming in the water. That's protein, which of course this is protein as well. Not the same protein, but protein nonetheless. So let's give it a really good test here and see. This is again the Syntrax Apple. It's not the greatest in the world. It's definitely, honestly, it reminds me of the Jolly Rancher apple candies. Excuse me. Oh, I used to get those the sticks that used to suck on kind of thing, and we just sharpened them to a point when we were kids. But those sticks like that, they had all different flavors. But the apple one, this is exactly what it tastes like. So it does taste candy-ish kind of, but you know, sweet can be neat sometimes, especially if you're not having sweets and you're dieting and maybe you want something sweet. Sweet apple. I don't know. Is it like apple pie? No, it's not the sort of maple sugary apple that you not caramelized at all. Not that kind of apple, but the sort of bright, crisp, like candy apple would be what I would say. So again, there is that. So again, just so people know, we're waiting on the final word from the insurance company. So let's see what happens there for you to go ahead with surgery. Other than that, I'll see you again for a few taste tests beforehand, and have a great Thanksgiving. Eat. Don't stuff yourself. There's no real reason to. It's Thanksgiving, not thanks fattening. But let's face it, I've done that before. So anyway, we're gonna go a little light this year. Me and the wife, we're gonna have just our little get together, a little private, relaxing day, which I'm really looking forward to. Just sort of sitting in together and having our own little Thanksgiving meal, which I really enjoy. So other than that, thanks for tuning in today, and have a great Thanksgiving. And again, Syntrax Apple, rating it on a scale of 1 to 10, probably a 4.5, maybe a 5. Not their best stuff, but people that really like apple, really want that crisp apple kind of taste, that's what you got right here. I mean, if you're drinking apple cider, it's sort of cidery. It doesn't have the spice of a cider. It's more of a heavy, crisp apple juice kind of taste to it. So it doesn't have that. It's not a cider. It's more of a juice type. So anyway, enjoy, and we'll see you soon. Thanks very much, and have a great day, and thanks for coming.